Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Ah, he was able to join.
Yeah, I think he can join. I just don't know
Ah,
when he's gonna get on.
See, that is actually
Yes. Yes.
while downloading the Zoom, it will ask what is your email ID and password.
Yes.
First time when you are downloading.
Yeah, it will.
So, if you have given some email ID and some password, which is not the password for your mail,
Yes. Yes.
account, then just by clicking the link, it will connect. It won't ask for
Yep.
the
Yeah. I
mail ID,
wanna.
password, etc. It will not ask.
Yep.
Yep.
So, he is able to join.
Yes.
Yep. Hello.
Okay, very good. See, actually, in my system, there is some problem. I am not able to see the this participants. But it is
Mm,
okay. If you are seeing my screen and
Yeah.
audio
yes.
is okay, that is fine.
Yep.
You are able to see the
Yes. 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 Yes.
screen and audio. That is enough. So earlier, I was getting these participants also. So I was able to see whether they are physically there or not, like that. But anyway, does not matter. Okay.
Yeah.
So yesterday we have given you some brief idea about what is this institute doing, Mathavara Dual Institute of Technology. This
Yeah.
is a free virtual learning center for everybody. So anybody can become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, or innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. See, this is brought to you by this. Now, introduction about this, I have already given this one. So, this has become possible because of the corona. Otherwise, it was not probably coming this much advanced thing. Now, efforts will be made to present the information correctly, clearly, completely in this presentation. But every keystroke is itself an important source of error. Therefore, the end users are required to make use of this information provided here at their own risk, fully knowing their own personal limitations, if any. Because there may be mistakes, but I will be telling when presenting. The study material supplied by the learners is used in this presentation so that learners will be able to learn from the same study material which is prescribed to them. However, additional explanation, classroom examples and exercises will be included as and when required to make the subject more easy to learn. Now, this
Yeah.
video recording
I
also I will give you.
think you. I think you already told us about this.
Yeah, I have told, but you see, those who see the video for the first time, they should get some idea. That's why I am giving this thing. So yesterday I have given you the video. So the recording of this session also will be given to all participants so that they can go through the same as many times as required in individual cases to become an expert on the topic covered. So this will help. This will be beneficial to those who could not join the online session for any reason whatsoever. I don't know whether you are able to go through this video again. No, because it takes same amount of time.
Yep. I think we should start.
Yeah.
I think we should start
So
with that topic.
yeah, now this is the topic that what we wanted to do.
Yeah.
But I said before learning this, it is necessary to do some revising the earlier subjects what we have learned so far, so that further understanding will be easy. Actually, roughly about 6-7 hours that preliminary ideas what I give will be useful for understanding all the future lessons very easily. So I given about the character set. That means we use letters, digits, and special characters. These are the three things that we use in all subjects, including mathematics. Letters, there will be two types. One is uppercase letters and another is called lowercase letters. So the writing style will be different. So what gives in the computer is one variety. Handwriting may be slight differences will be there. Lowercase letters also This is how it looks. Digits, we use only decimal digits right now. Later on, maybe we will be using all other types of digits also. So here deci means 10, there are 10 digits. It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So handwriting, that is how we write it. In special characters, we use plenty of them. Some of them I have listed here. There may be additional things also available in the keyboard as well as in the character set. So writing, in the handwriting, small differences in style will be there, but we will be able to recognize them. So Greek letters are particularly used in mathematics long time. So here it is necessary to make difference between the letters C and the opening bracket. That what we are.
Yeah. I think
C and the opening bracket.
we
See,
learned
this
about that
is
last
capital
week.
letter I. This is number 1. This is a small letter, lowercase letter L. This is 7. So in writing, suppose this is slightly, this one is not given, it will be confused with 7 also. Small hook is there. This O and 0, S and 5, U and V, Z and 2. Handwriting, you might identify that they are distinct when we write, so that others will be able to understand easily.
I mean, I think we can just start away because I think we've already learned all of this. Now we can go through the actual
Yeah.
graph.
I will give you
I
some
think.
more brief idea. I will give you. Then it will be easy to follow. Otherwise,
Can
you
we
will
just
know
use
only
the
particular.
textbook to
You will
follow
know
like
only
last time?
particular. No,
We
no.
should use
Just
the
listen.
textbook.
Just listen. We will go to your problems also. But some revision I have to give you so that if this is understood, all others will become very, very easy. We don't have to
No, no,
learn once more again.
this all we know because we've learned at school. The main thing that we want to learn from you is like
Uh,
how to actually graph, not all this stuff because we
yeah,
already
we'll
know
do
this.
that also. But which you have understood already, it will be more clear for you once we learn this. Then afterwards we'll go to your lesson, no problem. See, there is something called rectangular coordinate system. So
Uh,
here we have a horizontal line called x-axis and vertical line called y-axis. Now any point like this is given a single letter name. Yesterday we were using y is equal to f of x. So f is a single letter name. Like that, this is a single letter name for the point. So we will give here two numbers separated by comma. First one is how much distance we go from here origin along the x-axis there. Then second number is how much distance we go above that one to reach that place. So this system is called the rectangular coordinate system. So the marking will be such that going along the x-axis like this toward the right side is called positive direction of x-axis. This is positive direction of the y-axis. So if you go in the opposite direction, this is negative direction for x-axis. But if you are going above here, it is the positive direction for y-axis. So in this place, this is the negative direction of x-axis. But if we come here, it becomes the negative direction for the y also. Then here, see, x is in the positive direction, but y is in the negative direction. So the cross section or intersection of this x and y is called the origin. So this is 0, 0. That means we go 0 distance here and again 0 in the vertical direction. That means you don't go anywhere. That is the origin. So this is called the rectangular coordinate system. So rectangular coordinate system, any point is represented by writing a single letter name and separated by the x comma y. So x is the x coordinate and y is the that y distance above the x-axis. This is distance from the origin. distance above the x-axis if both are positive. So depending on the signs, if it is minus x, it will come to this side, minus x minus y come here, and x and minus y will come here. So this is called first quadrant, this is called second quadrant, this is called third quadrant, and this is called the fourth quadrant. Now there is another system called polar coordinates. Here we don't have this x-axis, y-axis, but we have a horizontal line here that is called initial line. Any point here, we give the distance from this origin or this one. This is called the pole also. From the pole to the point, what is the distance r we will give.
R.
So when you write here, we write r comma t. So in the books they may write theta. I am writing here letter t instead of theta. So t or theta is the angle which this line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay. And so here we give only this. Now if this is plotted on the xy graph, we have the x and y here also. Then what happens, this height y, what we call in the rectangular coordinate, becomes r sine theta or r sine t. And this OM becomes r cos t. You're able to follow?
Yeah, but we don't really use this.
This OP is called radius vector, distance from pole to the point that we are interested. So PM is length of the perpendicular, and OM is distance of the foot of the perpendicular from the pole. So PM is our y. So y is r sine t, and OM is x. So it is x cos r cos t.
R cos t.
So rectangular coordinates we use the x comma y, and polar coordinates we use r comma t or r comma theta values. So conversion we can do like this. Now we see sine theta or sine t, it is y by r. It is opposite side here to this angle, and this is the hypotenuse.
But I don't think so. We use this though.
Huh?
We don't use this for the topic.
No, you require. Now we are using, now we are using here sine t cos t. You are using, is it not? See, x is equal to sine t. You are using x is equal to, instead of that, you are using y is equal to, say, a sine x. We are using. So that is why it is required. You understand this minimum thing, all problems you can solve instead of searching particular one. That's what I am telling. So sine t means this is the angle t. The angle opposite to that is here side, that is y, divided by the hypotenuse r. Similarly, cos of this angle means it is adjacent side here, which is this x, and this is the hypotenuse r. So it will be x by r. So here cos t equal to sign is missing here in typing. It has gone somewhere. So that is what you have to use. You are able to follow? So rectangular coordinates we use x comma y means we first give how much distance we have to go along the x-axis, then how much we have to go through the y-axis to reach that point. Polar coordinates means we will give how much angle we have to go from the initial line and what distance we have to travel to reach that point. So this line is called initial line, and this line is called the radius vector. That is why it is called as r. So we give r comma t. That means what is the length of this radius vector and what is the angle of inclination from the initial line to this radius vector. So only those two we will give. There is no xy here. I have plotted this on the same graph sheet where x and y is there, so that you can find that this distance is equal to r cos theta and this distance is equal to r sin theta.
Can we Is it possible if we can use the textbook to start?
I am going to textbook. With this understanding, we'll go to textbook. I will show you. So the x and y, what we call, it becomes like r cos t, r sin t, and you can also go for r is equal to find the square root of x square plus y square under root. That gives the hypotenuse. So this is for converting polar coordinates to rectangular.
Yep.
This is converting rectangular coordinates into polar. So here there is called inverse tan function. We have just now we had only tan function, sin, cos,
Yep.
tan.
Tan inverse.
So,
Tan inverse.
inverse
What is
tan
that,
function.
Matt?
Some books they write it as arc tan. So it is tan inverse of y by x. That gives the this angle.
That
This
gives
angle.
the angle.
Yeah. So this one, I am, instead of using theta, I am using the letter T here. That's all, for simplicity in typing. Now you see y is equal to 7 sin x. Means now we know the 7 is this height, this maximum height that has come here. And sin x is this. See what you have plotted by taking for 0 degrees, 10 degree, 20 degree, etc. is only this much.
So I think
only this you have plotted, not the full here. Here it is plotted from this side to that side.
Yeah.
But what you have made the table, it will be only this much from here to here. That becomes one cycle.
Understood.
That's all.
Understood that.
So if it is like y is equal to sin x, this coefficient here is 1. So coefficient is 1 means that height will be 1.
The amplitude is 1. Yeah.
Yeah, that is called amplitude 1.
Yeah.
So this is like
we understood
sin
that,
it,
like,
yeah, it is 3
understood
sin
that.
x means this height is 3 amplitude. Whether it is below this x-axis or above the x-axis, they are equal like that. This is for 7 means that amplitude is 7 there. Similarly,
So what I'm trying to
7
say,
from here to here. That means whatever the number we give here, it will give the amplitude of the sine wave, but period is same for all.
Yeah, it will give the amplitude.
Here to here, whatever is there, same thing repeats here. Same thing repeats again later like that.
Can we start the exercise?
What you have plotted is only this portion yesterday. You have calculated for 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, no?
Yeah.
That you have plotted means it will be coming only this much. Not this, because we have not plotted that. So here it is shown for both negative and positive values of the.
Both negative and positive, yeah.
And it continues for infinite distance. See, to the right also, we can keep on writing this pattern. To the left also write this pattern. But this height is restricted. Height is equal to that amplitude. If no coefficient is given, it will be 1. If something else is there, it will be that much.
Can we start?
Yeah. Now, yesterday we calculated for this sin x for different angles like that, and we have plotted. Is it not? So
yeah, whatever, we did.
Whatever you have plotted, maybe you can take a photo and send it by WhatsApp to me so that I will see what exactly you have done. Now we see, yesterday I was telling you different names, single letter names you can use. So here is y is equal to f of x is equal to 1 is this line. Can you see here a light line?
Yes.
This line is touching this curve here. This gives the amplitude 1.
Yes, that's the amplitude.
Yeah. And gx, y is equal to gx is equal to minus 1. So there is another line here at the bottom.
Like something line. If we use differently for the Australian curriculum.
It gives the this distance, which is the at minus 1 line is coming there. That means it touches this graph here. You're able to follow? Now, see, we have used f of x for this type of relation between x and y, g of x for this kind of a relation, and h of x for this. So, if we are doing only one problem, then everywhere we write y is equal to f of x.
No,
But
no.
here,
We don't use
a
this at
line
all.
here, we have another line here. Therefore, equation of this line is this one, whereas equation of this line is this one, and this curve, sine curve, is that equation. So the
Manson, would you
letters,
like to
we are
say anything?
using a different letter. You are able to follow?
I mean, to be honest, the way we have been taught in Australia, we don't actually use this like difference. We actually just
No,
we
no,
just
I
use
am giving you, see, because I wanted to show that this line goes tangent there. I have given the name there. Otherwise, we simply use y is equal to f of x is equal to sin x, write x values and y values and plot there. So plotting, we are getting only this much portion only, not the other portion. Is it not? You're able to follow?
is
Suppose it is y is equal to 2 sin x. Then what you have to do, for sin x, we have written the different values there. 2x means 2 times you have to multiply and write.
yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. Suppose y is equal to 3 sin x, the values of
You multiply by 3.
yeah sin x you have to multiply by 3 and write there.
And right.
So 4x, 5x, etc. You're able to follow? So
yeah,
here
and so on.
you see it is shown for y is equal to f of x is equal to 5 sin x.
That we get, sir. Can we move on, sir?
Yeah, we'll go further. We'll go. It will become more clear, when you go through. Now this 5 is this height. So this equation I have called it as y is equal to g of x, which is a constant value for y everywhere. Y is not changing.
Yeah. The thing, right? We don't use y equals gx. We don't use y equals hx as well.
No. If you learn this in future, when you go for engineering and other things, you will be able to easily follow. When we solve one problem only at a time, we generally use y is equal to f of x and write whatever is the function of x and continue. But I am showing why we require different letters here. You are able to follow? Because f of x means it is only this one, whereas g of x means it is that one, and h of x is this one. See, this line here is that h of x. Equation of this line is h of x. Equation of this is g of x, whereas equation of this one is the f of x we are taking. You are able to follow?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you see we have got 5 sin 2x. 2 come here. That means what happens? See, previously what was this much is one cycle. Now in that 2 of them have come. See, from here to here is one, here to here is another. That means if you plot this graph, you will find points for writing only this much from here to here. See, by sin 2x, so x is 20, 40, 60 like that it goes. And whatever that comes, we are multiplying by 5, and then you are writing here.
Oh, okay. This is what I didn't know.
Huh?
Yeah, I didn't know this. This makes sense now. Yeah, you have to just times the x value by 2.
Yeah. So it is necessary to learn step by step. Then you become an expert in the subject. So if you already know, it is fine. It will become more clear. And if it was not clear earlier, it will become clear. So normally, you are able to follow?
Yes.
Any difficulty is there, tell me. I will always change because it is not
a
fixed program.
That's okay.
Yes, sir.
Because if you go in a systematic way, normally I spend about 6-7 hours giving these basics only. So that anytime you go, it will become very easy to follow. Otherwise you will know only how to solve a particular problem, but not if some other slight problem difference is there, you will not be able to do. Now, if you understand these basics, any problem you will be able to solve.
Yeah.
You are able to follow?
Yep, able to follow.
So, to draw the graph of y is equal to f of x is equal to 5 sin 2x, what we have to do is, previously we have taken for 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. Now that x is multiplied by 2, Therefore, we will have 20, 40, 60, 80 like that we will draw. Write it. Then whatever the trigonometry that answer comes, we will write here
Yeah.
after multiplying by 5. You are able to follow?
Oh. So
See,
basically,
sine of 20
oh, okay,
degree.
okay.
See, just check what
It
is
is
sine of 20 degree in your calculator.
1.7.
Ah, no. That is, you are getting 1.7 after multiplying by 5.
so
Is it?
sine of 20 is 0.34, and then when you times that by 5, you get 1.7.
Yeah, that you multiply by 5, you get like 1.7.
Hmm.
How much you got?
Yeah.
1.7.
Means I am keeping single digit only, accuracy for one
Yeah.
digit
One
only.
decimal. One decimal place.
One decimal place I am keeping. Because, see, in our graph sheet, we can only make easily identify 1 millimeter. So, one decimal
Yeah.
place I have kept. So, 1.7 means it is 1.7 centimeter will come y
Yeah.
distance, like that. So, that if you plot, go up to 360 degree here, then what happens? By 180 degree itself, you will get this one cycle. Then next 180 degree, you will get another cycle. That means this number which comes here as coefficient of x, that will make the number of cycles, indicate the number of cycles. That means the period means time taken for that one cycle. It will be half of the previous one.
Now
So
I got it.
Oh.
period will be half of that. You're able to follow?
Yes.
Any difficulty, tell me. I will always help you, no problem.
Okay, wait. So the 2x. So 2 would mean the number of repetition.
No, 2 multiplied by that x value. We are taking x in the degrees here,
No.
Yeah.
So
what
degrees,
he's trying, what
if
he's
you are
trying to
10
say is
degrees
is
here,
that is two phase shift increment or what? That's what he's
which one?
asking. Two.
So is the number 2 a phase shift, or is it x increment, or is it like number of cycles, or what?
No. That one will give the
Oh wait, I
period
think it's number
compared
of
to
cycles.
y is equal to sin x. If you go to the previous graph, here
Yeah.
we have got y is equal to sin x only, is it not?
Yeah.
Sin x,
Oh,
the
and
period
it
is
is
from
period.
here to
It is
here.
period.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
much
It is.
distance.
Oh, it's period. Period.
But if you go to 2x, you will have 2 cycles in the same distance.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
One
Oh,
cycle.
okay. Yeah.
This is another cycle
Yes.
up to here, is it not?
Yeah. That's correct. Now I
So
understand.
period is from here to here, this arrow mark.
Yeah.
So compared to previous one, the period here is from this point to this point here.
Yeah, that is correct.
So from
That
here
is
to
correct.
here
That
is
is correct.
it is one period. So the sin x, whatever is the period, it becomes half of that. That means there will be 2 cycles coming there.
Ah, okay.
You can see
But
Yeah. Yeah.
from here to
So
here.
basically the period changes.
Yeah, period will change by
Yeah.
this coefficient. See,
Yeah.
this
it will
this
just
you have
shrink. It
understood.
will
This
just shrink.
number it changes
Yeah.
the amplitude.
Yeah.
Number 5
Yeah.
will give this height,
Yeah.
which is
The
the amplitude.
Yeah.
Whereas number 2 will give this number of cycles coming in the previous one cycle of the y is equal to sin x.
Yeah.
Y is equal to sin x, whatever was the period, now it is half of that.
Now it is half of it. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
2 indicate there are 2 cycles.
Yeah. Basically, it
Ah.
gets smaller.
Yeah, previously it was only 1.
Yeah.
See here, there is only 1 cycle from here to here.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
From here to here.
Understood.
Yeah.
Understood.
That is
Understood,
for
understood.
y
Yeah,
is equal to sin x.
Yeah.
Because Manny,
Sin x.
6.5 in degrees is like what? What's 6.5
Yeah, I will
in
tell you
degrees?
about. I will come to that step by step. We will go. So here, 2 multiplied by x means what happens? We get 2 cycles here. compared to the
Yeah.
y is equal to sin x.
Yeah. That. Yeah. Now it makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, yep. I think we can move on.
Yeah.
Now 3 sin x. In this case, sin x, sin x, sin x, we are not changing. We are changing only
Yeah. It's only amplitude.
amplitude. So in this, there is
Oh,
no change in the period because it is the sin s function only.
geez, this is actually making sense.
Ah, you're able to follow?
Able to follow.
The coefficient of the sin function will give you the amplitude. That is, coefficient is 1 when nothing is specified there. It is 3 in this problem, 3 sin x. It is 7 in this problem, it is 7 sin x. So this number
7 sin x.
indicates the amplitude. Here again, coefficient of x, nothing is written means it is 1.
Yeah.
1.
So
Okay.
if it is
That's
like sin x,
understandable now.
Understandable.
No, I will make it understandable. What happens, this we have to go slowly, understand the basics. Once you understand that,
Correct.
every
Correct.
problem you can solve. Otherwise, you will know only how to solve one particular problem. If there is a small variation, you will not be able to do. Now you see here, we have sin 2x and also there is sin 3x. So sin 3x is this black one. Say from here to here, one cycle. This is another cycle. This is another cycle. So the red one is y is sin x. Red
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
So
That's
red
correct.
one, there is one cycle.
And that is
Blue
correct.
one, blue one is two cycles are there. And black one,
Yeah.
there are three cycles.
3 cycles are there.
3 cycles are there.
Wait a
So
minute.
if you put 7x here, there will be 7 cycles coming.
Yeah.
Wait, so
That makes
basically, oh, wait,
complete sense.
hold on.
And the period will keep on decreasing. That is the x distance will decrease.
Right.
You're able to get this idea?
Yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. That
No,
makes
no.
sense.
But let's say there is 3 cycles. How do we plot it exactly? How do we figure that out?
No, that is the same thing. This I gave you about how to plot the sin 2x graph.
Wait, Shanae, could you please repeat what you said?
See, this one I given you for sin 2x. So
Shanae, could you
whatever is
please say
the
what you
x,
said again?
keep 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. See, if it is 5x means instead of this 20, it will be 50. Because we were taking earlier 10 degrees here. So 10 into, if this is 5, we will be having 50. So 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, like that we will
300, yeah.
and get these values there correspondingly. The values are multiplied by this number if it is given here.
That is
Then
correct.
you will be able to plot the graph. You're able to
That
follow?
is correct. That is correct.
So in Australia, we put that, we don't put it in the, you know how in y-axis.
What is that?
I think he's trying to say in Australia we don't do y equals fx. We do y equals sin x straight away.
No. No,
We
not
never
that.
write
And
fx.
graphing, we put pi
See,
like that,
this
pi
method
over 2
is,
like that.
I
We
will tell
don't put degrees.
you,
Hey,
what we say is here, y is a function of x. That means the small letter f is name of that function we have given. Just like sin x, cos x, we have got 3 letter names, Like that, this is a single letter name. So this one gives the relation between x and y. The actual expression is here. So when solving this problem, if we write f of x means we write this minus 2 sin x. Whereas here, I have called it g of x, it is 3 sin x. The difference between this and this is, this one coefficient of this sin x function is a positive number.
Yeah.
So positive number is that black curve. Say from here, it goes like this, amplitude is 3 and comes like this and goes like this. If the number is negative, you will get a mirror reflection. See, instead of rising like that first, it is going down here first. Then instead of going down there, it will go up. Here, I have kept this amplitudes different. If you have put the same amplitude, then it will be coming like this. You're able to follow?
Yes, able to follow.
That means here, if you keep a mirror on this line, whatever you get for y is equal to this positive sin x with this coefficient positive, coefficient negative
Yeah.
of the same thing means it gives the mirror reflection. That means y is equal to only 2 sin x, it should have given like this.
Yeah.
Coming here like this, and coming here like this. You're able to follow?
Able to follow. Able to follow.
Yeah, see, if it was it is difficult to find where is the next one. See
Which one you
here,
try to find?
see,
Pen.
if you write like this,
Yeah.
that becomes like y is equal to 2 sin x.
2 sin x. Yes.
Whereas
Yeah.
minus 2
Sir,
means
you
it will
get
be
this,
mirror
sir.
reflection like this. Can you see that one?
Yeah. Yeah.
See, it should have gone like this, 2 sin x.
Sir Ramesh. Sir
But
Ramesh.
minus 2, it is coming down first.
Mr. Sir.
Similarly, here it is coming this way and going this way. Positive means
I
it
think we
was
should
coming
stop.
down, but because of negative, it is going up there. So this period is the same here. Y is equal to 2 sin x minus 2 sin x. Amplitude is also same.
Yeah.
But,
Amplitude is the same.
But first we get the, instead of positive rising, we will
First,
go
if we
below
get
the
first negative,
x-axis.
then will be negative. Yes.
Yeah. Then instead
Yeah.
of going above the x-axis, we go below the
Below,
x-axis.
below. Yes. Yes. That we know. Yes.
That is what you have to understand.
Yeah. That we have understood.
So this is
Sorry,
the
sir.
period. Period, there is no change. And in the graph, since I have given here this cursor, you can see. I think you cannot see, is it not? Cursor movement,
I
you can
can
see.
see. I can see. I can see.
Sir, I
Cursor
think
is
we should
moving.
start doing
All right.
exercises. We are understanding this, sir. We're using the textbook. We should start now. Together.
I think because the main thing we really need to know,
Because there's
in
a
the test
test
we
coming up.
struggled. Yeah, we really
We
struggled with
really
in the
want
test.
to.
All we want to
Now,
know for now is how to draw the graph, how to draw it, not also
Like
this, how to draw.
certain equations we need to learn how to draw. So I think if you use the textbook and have a maybe
eh,
like a whiteboard
yeah, I
type
will
on
go.
the side.
Just 1 or 2 minutes only. Just I'm trying to make it clear as clear as possible.
Oh,
So
good.
now you have understood what is constant now. Yesterday I gave you idea, like value of g, acceleration due to gravity, is it not? Value of
Yes.
phi, and now we use that
Wait,
A, B, C
Benson, did we
letters.
do constants the other day?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
So that is what we did. Okay. Now we
We
will
did
go
our
to
math.
your book.
We should move on, sir.
Yeah, we will go to your book now, and then
Perfect. La la.
I think after we do the book, then we can finish the call because I would like to only keep it
yeah,
like
we go
1
to the
hour,
book
one.
now. We go to the book.
Yeah, after the book, I think we can just end the call because what I wanted to do is just keep it like 1 hour. So it's not too
Uh,
long. Just keep the call
uh,
1 hour.
Nah.
Okay,
3
how much
hours,
you want, I will
sir.
give. There is no problem. Yeah, see, by somehow I am able to see your uh, this camera is working today. I don't know. Yesterday it was not working. But anyway, I am able to say.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
working. Yeah.
now I will go for your book now.
Yeah, and have like a paper on the side so then we can like work it out together, sir.
No, I will make you expert. Nothing to
Yeah.
worry. Simply follow me. It takes some time. That is like that.
Yeah. Okay. Just what I would say is just read the question and then just explain to us how to do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll do that
And what
Yeah.
only.
exercise mention is it?
If you
Exercise.
go to if you go to seven B
Yeah,
point
yeah.
two,
Okay. Okay, keep
seven
scrolling.
B.
No, no. Sir, keep scrolling down.
Yeah. So here you see important thing is he gives the definition of what is the periodic function. That means suppose the period is equal to p, then f of x plus p is equal to f of x. That means by adding that you get the same thing only, not different. If that
Oh,
happens, then only it is called a period.
Oh.
See, here I am writing x, f of y is equal to sin x, is it not?
Yes. Yes. That is correct.
If
no,
you
no,
write
sir.
That
y
is
Don't
is
correct.
on this at
ah,
all, sir.
if you write y is equal to x plus 2 pi, then it becomes equal to f of x only,
Mm-hmm.
because 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi. You are able to follow?
Yes, we are able to follow.
See, 360 degrees is 2 pi,
Yes. 2 pi.
2 pi. And one
2 pi.
cycle is coming for 360 degrees.
360 degrees.
So, in trigonometry, this period is 2 pi.
2 pi.
So, if you calculate sine of x plus 2 pi, it gives you sine of x only.
Oh yeah.
See, for example, in your calculator, you can put sine of 450 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
You will get the value which is same for sine of 90 degree.
Yes, that's correct because it is just 90 plus 360.
Ah,
Because so
so
it's just basically same plus.
this period in degrees for sine function is 360 degree. But in mathematics and later on you will learn calculus, etc. There angle measurements we will not use in degrees, we will use only in radians. That means
Sir,
it will be 2 pi radians. This x is equal to 1, 2, 3, what we write in general, or 2x when you write here, that numbers, they are all in radians. For just for getting idea of the degrees, we have used degrees so far, that's all. Otherwise, it will be full of degrees only.
sir, I think we should start now. If you scroll down.
Yeah.
Yep.
I will I will show you which question to go to. If you
Yeah,
keep
yeah.
going down,
Keep
I'll tell you
going.
when to
Keep
stop.
going. Okay.
Keep
Give
going.
the page number.
Keep
Page
going.
number you give me.
No, no,
Page
keep.
number
We'll tell
page
you. We'll
number
tell you. Oh, right here, right
176.
here, right here,
One
right here,
oh no
sir.
no no. Go back, go back.
Right here. No, no, we start from here now. We start from here.
A little bit, little bit, little bit.
Yeah.
You went from
More,
here.
more, more. More, more. Even more.
No,
Next one,
you,
go forward or backward?
no, no, no. Okay, keep going down, sir.
Keep going down, sir. To seven B.2.
One, no, no, B.1. Can we
This one.
start from
Okay, this one, this one.
start
This
from
one,
this
sir.
one,
This
sir?
one.
Start from this one, sir.
Say, without using technology, sketch
Okay,
the graphs
Yeah.
of the following
perfect.
for x value
Can we do
between
all of
0
them?
and 2 pi. That
Okay.
Yes.
means between 0 and 360 degrees.
Yes.
Now,
Yeah.
this is what yesterday we did. Say,
Yeah.
y is equal to sin x. We said x is equal
Uh-huh.
to 0, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, like that we went up to 360.
Yeah, yeah.
And that one, y is equal to sin x we did yesterday. Now we want for 3 sin x. So whatever you got for sin x, you multiply by 3 and write it in the y column. That is what I showed in the beginning.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So you just have an amplitude of 3, basically. That's it.
This one, have you followed or not followed?
Yes, yes. Basically, the amplitude will just become 3. The amplitude will
Yeah.
be 3. That's it.
See, here, if you want to use only radian, then your calculator must be put into radian mode. But to understanding that is not easy, because 2 pi means it is 6.484.
Yep. That is correct.
So that you have to divide by number of things and put the value of x here
Yeah.
if you want to use in radian mode.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if you wanted 10 degrees only in increments, here you can find
Mm-hmm.
out this 2 pi is equal to 360 degrees. So
360
pi is
degrees.
180.
Pi is
So,
180. Yes, that's correct.
1 degree means pi by 180.
1 degree means pi by 180.
So 10 degree means pi by 18, because 1 0 cancels.
Yes.
Okay. No,
Pi
no,
by
yeah.
18. So you make a table there. How I will show you.
Can you draw it for us, sir? Please.
Yeah.
Uh,
Can you draw out a graph for us? Just to.
that's what I want to do it. So we'll go to the other sheet. We'll go to the
Get the. E6 check.
Oh, perfect. Yep. So
yeah.
just
Perfect.
Now you
so
see.
y equals 3x sine 3x. No, y equals 3 sine x. Can you draw that for us, sir?
I will show you. See,
Yes.
you write x here.
Yes.
Now 0 degree. Now if you want to practice in the radians, it is pi by 18.
Yeah.
So
0 times pi by 180.
no, pi by 180 is for 1 degree. For 10 degrees, pi by 18.
Wait. Wait. What we learned is, if you want to convert degrees to radians, you just times whatever number it is by pi over 180.
Say pi by 1/8. If you make, it is equal to 10 degrees. So it will come something like 0.174.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Pi is how much? 3.142.
Yep.
You divide 3.142
Oh, this is also. So this is for what? Pi over 2.
by 18.
Pi over 2 divided by 18.
No, 3.142 divided by 1/8. So this is radians for 10 degrees. See, this is 10 degrees. We are putting in the radians.
Oh. Uh,
20 degrees.
20 degrees.
No, no,
Ah,
no.
it will
Sir,
be
can we
for
not worry
18
about the
degrees.
table? Can we just
For 10
start?
degrees, it is this much. For 20 degrees, it will be twice of that. It is point
Sir,
three
can we just
nine.
start graphing, please?
No. This we understand. What we want to learn is
This is
how you
confused.
graph it. How
Yeah.
you graph it, because we just want to know how to graph the thing.
Okay, when you do
We
this, you
already
will
know
get.
this.
So this
We
is
already understand this very well.
x in degrees.
Uh,
Whereas these things is in radians. Now we want to get sine of this. So sine 0 is 0. So sine of 10 degree, what we got yesterday, same thing you will get if you take sine of 0.174 radians. So in the
uh-huh.
calculator, you go to radian mode.
Radian mode.
Calculator
Yeah.
in the radian mode, calculate
Yeah.
sine of 0.174.
That is point. That'll give you 0.17312.
the sine of 0.174.
It'll give you the
Sir,
same.
I think we should start.
So you will get 0.003, something like that it comes, is it not?
No, no, no. Yeah, sir,
No.
we did that we did it 2 days ago, remember?
No, 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 no. This one, you have to put in radian mode. Don't
Yeah,
put in
we
minute.
Yeah,
did this, sir.
The sine of 0.174.
See. What we want to learn is, we basically want you to look at the questions that we are struggling with, like on the textbook, and we want you to draw them. So then we
And
can
then
see
you
how
do.
you draw
Yes.
it.
I'm showing
No,
For,
no, no. You
for
need,
No, no,
you
10
no.
degrees,
need
Not
to
x
that,
is
show
sir.
the.
the graph, not this.
Stop.
See, x is equal to 0.174 radians. Sin x is also 0.173. Same thing one click comes. So we are rounding up to 0.2. So 20 degree, what we got yesterday, same thing comes for 0.349 when the mode is radians. You are able to follow?
No.
Huh? So you
This
will
we
get
already
here
know. Like this you told us already
0.341.
last week.
Sir,
So we
sir,
called it
sir.
0.3.
What I'm trying to say
Ah,
is that can we please do some graphing questions?
no, I am
We
giving you that
want
one only. So by drawing
no
the
no
graph,
no no.
we
No.
need here, see 5, how much it was? 3, is it? 3 sin x we want in your question.
No, no, no. Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
we have taken
We
x in
want that.
radians
We want to
here.
graph that.
Yeah, this is radians. Sin x value comes here. 3 times of
No,
that, 0 will be 0 only. This
we
will
don't
be
use this
multiplied by
book.
3. So
Isn't there must be a quicker
173
way.
0.173 multiplied by 3.
So can we just start?
It is 0.519. And this will be 3
Dog,
times.
big
Say I
dog.
will put 0.9. So this you can make it as 0.5.
Heck it.
So like this
Heck it.
you have to work out all these numbers.
Yeah, we did
Sir,
that already last week.
Then you will have the graph x. Now here it will go for
Why?
the 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees,
It's
why?
so hard to communicate.
which is nothing but that pi by 18, etc. Comes here, it will be 2 pi. So somewhere here pi will be there. Somewhere here there will be pi by 2.
Yeah, yeah. That's perfect. Yeah, yeah,
This will be 3 times pi by 2.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this is y. So now y is equal to 3 sin x means this height will be at 3.
Mm-hmm.
3.
This is y is equal to 3.
3.
This is y is equal to minus 3.
Minus 3.
Yeah, yeah.
So pi by 2, your graph will go like that, and it will be, it was for what? 3 sin x only, is it not?
Yes,
Yeah,
3 sin x.
So it will come like this. Like
See,
this.
I wanna ask you one question.
Ah,
The way that we have been taught in school, right? They have
ah.
taught us to first calculate the phase shift, phase shift. Then they have told us to calculate then they have told us to calculate um
no,
uh
no. That is
then
perfect
they
how
have
he showed us, man. Then for the other questions, he'll teach us his own way, okay?
yeah.
See, 3 sin x is there, So what I told you was, you have to first have a, this actually will go for the other one. How do you go there?
Okay. Can we do the next question now?
See, this is we just covered. This and this are same. This because of minus here, you get mirror reflection. That means the graph
Next
goes
question
first
is,
down and then goes up.
so you want to know next question? -3 sine x.
I am telling
Yeah, he
that one
just said
only.
it.
See, this
He
one
just,
and the
if
first
you, today
question.
he is explaining it correctly. He just
Ah,
said to flip it.
see, I will erase this one.
Yeah, you can erase
Perfect.
it.
I think we should like quickly, do like one question like.
Yeah, just one after the other. Tick, 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 boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Heck it.
See,
With the
we want
heck
to have
it.
y is equal to 3 sin x. That was the first one.
Yeah, that is
Second
correct.
is y is equal to minus 3.
Minus 3 sin x. So what is the difference is they just flip.
Yeah.
And that is correct. That is correct.
It is the
Sir, can we drop it, sir?
No, sir, you were correct. You were correct when you wrote -3 sin x.
like that, you know.
Yes.
Now,
That is
for
correct.
this one, the table what you have created is same thing only. Is it not?
Yeah.
So it
Perfect.
Yes,
will
the
come.
same.
Yeah.
So first
It
you
will
have
come like
created
this.
this. Yeah. Yeah, that's y equals 3 sin x. Yes.
This one will change the color
It is nothing but opposite.
in the
Yeah.
mirror
So then
reflection.
you would start from the bottom and then it will go up.
Like that. It will come.
That is very simple.
So it is this one.
Yes. Sir, that's
Yes,
it. Perfect.
Minus
All right.
that is
plus
Next one,
correct.
sir.
goes down there first,
Yes,
Next
then
one,
goes
that's
up
sir.
the
here.
that's the amplitude. That is correct. That is
Yeah.
correct.
Perfect. All right.
Whereas this
Next one, sir.
one, it will
Okay.
come first up and then goes down.
Yes.
So
That's
Next
so
correct.
one.
negative coefficient means the curve first goes down, then comes up like this,
Down. Then comes up. Yes.
and the period will be same.
Same. Same. Same. Heck it.
So this period will be
Can we do
same.
the next question, sir?
This is 2 pi.
Yes. You'll get to that bit. Have some patience.
360 degrees. So 1 degree is pi by 180.
Yes.
So now we are
10
taking 10,
degrees.
10 taking. So 1 0 will go, it will get pi by 118.
Pi by 180.
Because for 10 degree, it will be 10 times of this, is it not?
Yes.
So that 0, so you get pi by 18.
Pi by
So this
18.
is degree, radians.
Gradient.
So this x, you have to put like pi by 18 means we got some 0.171, is it not?
0.171. That is correct.
And for small values of sin theta
Sin theta.
and, and tan theta,
And theta.
sin theta is equal to theta and tan theta is equal to theta in radians.
Theta.
Mm-hmm.
You are able to
Sir,
follow?
can we do the next question?
Okay. This is clear now. Can we go on to the next question? Because we will only have a limited amount of time. Next question is y
Those,
equals 3 over 2 sin x.
yeah.
Where is that one? This one. So
Yeah,
it is
the next question
Like,
is
we can, if you want, we can stay
sin
here
x.
for like 3 hours if you want.
See, this sin x, is same thing only. Instead of 3, it is 3 by 2 means 1.5.
Yeah.
yes.
So the amplitude will be 1.5 and it will
Yeah.
be a full
Okay.
cycle.
Perfect. Yeah. Understood. Yes.
That is
Come
correct.
on. Come on.
You're able to follow?
Able to
Yes.
follow.
And next one is minus 3 by 2 sin x.
So then it would be negative 1.5 amplitude.
Negative 1.5.
Come
Minus
on.
1.5. So it will be the mirror reflection of the C problem.
Yes. Come on.
Okay, now you can move
Yes,
on to
sir.
2 then. 2. Question 2.
2A.
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 So y is equal to sin 3x. Now we have done, in one cycle, there will be 3 cycles coming because of 3.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh. All right. Jesus. Come on. So, sir, can you draw that?
Huh?
Can you
Can you
please
please draw that out?
y equals sine 3x?
How you would explain it? Jesus, Jesus.
I think there might be
You
some.
can erase, you can erase this one.
Yeah.
This is
You
making
can
sense,
erase.
sir.
You can
Sir.
erase this one. Yes.
Now tell me, what is the problem?
Y
Okay, y
equals
equals
sine
sine
3x.
3x.
Y is equal to
Sine 3x.
Sine 3x.
how much?
Sine 3x.
Oh, sin 3x. Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Y equals sine
Correct, correct.
3x. But
Correct, correct.
look, like if I want, I can also draw, sir.
So this, if you want to do the graph,
That is correct.
see x value you make here. Suppose 0, 10, 20, 30, what like that. So 3x means you take it 30, 60, 90,
Oh!
120, 150,
Then you
like
times
that.
it by times the value of
Go up to that.
thing.
So then we will put sin x. So sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is half. This is root 3 by 2 is 0.866. This is 1. This is 0.866. This is 0.5. 180. It will be 0. And
0.
next will be again. It will go down now.
210.
It
Then
will
it
go
will go down.
down. Yeah. So it will be
Minus
minus
0.5.
0.5. Then
Minus 0.866.
minus
Minus
0.866.
minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus
Minus
0.866. Minus 0.5. Minus 0. Well, 0 actually. No, not minus. Just 0.
so 0 is called unsigned digit. That means one side of that is positive, another side is negative, but the 0 doesn't have a minus sign. There is no
Mm.
plus sign also. It is called unsigned integer.
Unsigned integer.
Because to one side it is positive, the other side it is negative. So this itself doesn't have the plus minus sign. So once you do this, you're able to follow.
Yeah. Yes, I could. So how will we draw that out then?
Yeah.
How will we draw it out?
Is that how we would draw it out? The one I did here?
Drawing is okay. We will erase this one.
Can I show you? Can I show you how it will be?
I will show you. I will show you.
I want to show you how I would draw it on the screen. I can draw as well. I'll show you.
1 second. 1 second. See, this these things are there. What you have to do is,
So it'll be like this, then like this.
yeah, like this. Now 0
Yes,
degree, 30 degrees, 60,
0,
90,
30.
Can we
120,
do it in pi so it makes
150,
more sense?
180, 210, 240,
We should do it in pi
270,
so it makes more sense, sir.
300, 330,
Can you can you
350.
can you write in terms of pi?
Yeah. Now
Because
it was,
the
what
way
was that question there? It was
Y
sin
pi
equals
equals.
0.3x.
sin 3x. Is
Can
it
you
not?
write in terms of pi? Yes,
So this is
that is that is
1. This is minus 1.
Yeah.
the minus one.
So sin 30 means half. It will come there.
Half,
This is 866.
half.
Come there. This will
Yes,
come
yes.
here 1. Then
One.
866. Then here. Then here.
Ten
Then it
year.
will come here.
Oh, that is making sense.
Not
I'm
enough.
understanding it. Because I don't know why it doesn't make sense for him.
Got it?
Yes, got it. That makes complete sense now.
Did I actually?
Yeah.
Okay, how?
So then
You
it
just have to plot the points out and connect the graph.
But that's not how it's
Basically,
going on the thing.
so this becomes y is equal to 3x. So this distance is 2 pi.
Oh,
Rather, it is not 2 pi. It is sin 3x, So this will be pi
yeah.
only.
No, this I think this would be more like
No, no. This will be half of the sin x period. That means this one we can call it as pi. This is pi by
no. I thought it would be 2
2
pi
pi
over
by
3
3.
period.
2 pi by 3
Yeah,
will
yeah.
come.
Period would be 2 pi by 3.
2 pi by 3 will come.
Because yeah.
So the last one will be 2 pi by 3.
oh, is that how it is?
Yeah.
So
Wait.
up to 2 pi means 3 times of this will come.
But there is only one time of it.
No, no. See, we have to write compared to the other one. See, if y is equal to sin x is this,
Yes.
then this will come like this. This is
Oh,
y is equal to sin x. This is y is equal to sin 3x.
oh, that
This will be 2 pi. Whereas this is 2 pi by 3.
can you continue the graph so I can see how it will look like at the finish?
Huh?
Can you continue the graph so can you draw it the whole way? Can you like draw from until 2 pi? Can you draw that until 2 pi? The y
That's all.
equals sin 3x.
It will go there and it will come here and it will go there and comes there. This comes there.
Ah, so 3 times it will happen before it goes to 2 pi.
See,
Oh,
Oh, that makes sense. That
you
makes
have to
sense.
mark here.
because
But
one period is 2 pi. Is that correct?
Ah,
Oh,
yes,
this is 2 pi.
so
that
then
makes sense.
basically,
Now
yeah, that
in
was
this
easy. You
one,
shouldn't, yeah, yeah. So you just in one period, it will circle so 3 times basically.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. It will have 3 cycles. Yeah.
It'll
Oh
have
my,
3.
if Miss explained that, bro.
Bro, honestly, like,
like that it will come.
Oh, okay, okay. Understood, sir.
Ah,
understood. That makes sense.
And then that would be still 2 pi. This would be still 2 pi here.
this will be 2 pi.
Yeah,
Yes.
all right. Okay, okay.
But each of this will be 2 pi by 3.
Uh,
It is compared to the other one we are telling.
yeah.
All right.
See,
Can we do the next question?
this is what we want to learn. This is what
Yeah.
we want to learn, not the revision, because we already know that. This is what we want you to do every
Yeah.
lesson. Just like few questions which will help us learn.
No,
This is
everything
what
help
helps
us.
us.
See, this I have already given indirectly, that is why if you go from the beginning,
Yeah.
normally it was
Mm,
taking about 6-7 hours, where I will give the idea of all the basic types. Then you will be able to do anything here. Whatever number is given, you can change.
Yeah.
mm,
You have followed
All
this
right.
yeah.
one?
Can we do the next question? Manton, what's the next question?
Yeah. We
Ah,
can do next question then. Okay. Next question is y equals sine x over 2.
this one.
Y equals sine x over 2.
X
That's
over
correct.
2 means it is half into x.
Half into x.
Is it not?
Oh, because basically x is just 1x. Yeah.
So
Yeah. So it's
instead of
just
sin
1x.
x,
1 over 2.
now half is there. When you divide
Yeah.
by that, it will become 2.
Yeah.
So this will double.
Oh, this is actually starting to make sense.
Yeah, no,
See,
see. See, look, bro. If he just doesn't do the revision, bro, he actually can help.
Yeah.
Trust me, I told you. But it's just if he doesn't do this revision, then it's help. So
see, 1 divided by half,
half. Yeah.
it will become 2.
It'll be
So period will be
2.
twice. That means period goes to 4 pi.
Oh.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So y is equal to sin x.
That's one period, and then that's the
It
second
comes
period.
like this.
Okay.
This is y is equal to sin x.
Oh.
But now what you get will be like this.
So it'll happen once only.
So this is y is equal to sin x by 2. Or it is sin 0.5x.
Oh, okay. So in two period, he only does one whole rotation.
Ah,
So
this is
okay,
2 pi.
that's 2 pi. Yeah, and then that's 4 pi here. Yeah.
This
All
is 2
right.
pi.
Oh.
That's so that's four
That
pi
is
here.
making sense.
You're able to follow?
Yeah.
Uh huh.
That's why step by step you have to go. If you suddenly go to particular problem, only that problem you will understand. If there is a small change, you will not be able to do. But here, if you understand something like y is equal to a sin bx,
Bx. Yes.
then whatever may be the a and b, you can be able to draw the graph.
Yes. Can you do the next one then?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next one is. I will tell you. It is. Oh no. Next one is easy. Can you go to number 3 now?
Take the period.
State the period.
Ah.
Take the period
State the
of.
See,
period.
y is equal to
Yeah.
sin 4x, you can do,
Yeah. Vehicles. Yeah. That we
Ah.
can. That we can do now
Here you will
because you
have
showed us
4
how to
cycles
do.
you will get.
Yeah. Because you
And
showed us how to do that one before. Then we know.
what is the period here? It is 5x means,
Which means the period would be 2 pi over 5.
no, it is 1 by 5, only point 2 of that will come. That means there are
But
5 cycles will be
isn't
coming. No,
but
yeah, 5
isn't
cycles.
but isn't period only 2 pi over b? So wouldn't it just be 2 pi over 5?
Yeah, that's true.
2 pi divided by 5.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's period.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. So that
so this
would be
one will be
that
like
meant.
2 pi multiplied by 3, because divided by 1 divided by 3.
Yeah.
So then it would be two
Times
pi over five. Yeah.
It will be 6 pi.
What?
Oh, actually, wait. What did you say the answer was?
It is whatever the previous period, you have to divide by 1/3.
Yes, yes, yes. That's
That
correct. So
means
you
you have
just
to multiply by 3.
that means you flip it over. So that means you do 2
You
pi
have to
times 3.
multiply by 3. That means it will
Yes,
become
with
6 pi.
6 pi, 6 pi. Yes, correct,
6 pi.
correct. That's
Wait,
correct.
what do you do? What do you do?
So basically, 2 pi, when you do 2 pi divided by 1 over 3, right? Just imagine, because it's divided, right? Have you learned how if you multiply that switches? 1 over 3 switches, so which means you'll get 3 over 1. So then you cancel out the 1, and then you times 2 pi by 3, which will just give you 6 pi. Here,
Is that the correct
I'll show you
answer?
on, look at the screen. I'll show you how it is. So let's say you
Yeah.
have 2 pi over 1, then it's divide by 1 over 3. When you multiply this, these two switch around. So
Yeah.
then the ones here would get cancelled out, and then you get left with 2 pi
Oh,
times the 3 up here, so which will just give you 6 pi.
so that's the period.
Yeah, that would be the period then.
6 pi. 6 pi
6
period.
pi. Yeah, that would be the period.
But then why don't you use the 5x there?
No, I'm talking about the B for B, 2B.
2b.
Yeah, that was for 2B. That's the period for 2B.
No, 3b you mean.
So yeah, 3B. That's what I mean. Yeah, that's correct. So now,
See,
so now
you want
could you do for C then?
y is equal to
Y equals sine
sine
0.66.
x by 3.
Okay, yeah.
This is like sine 1/3 multiplied by x. So if P is the period, which is 2
Yeah,
pi,
that's correct.
now it is P
2 pi over
divided
B.
by 1/3. So
Yeah,
this is 3p. That is 3 into 2 pi. That is 6 pi. This 3 will go to numerator.
that makes sense.
You're able to follow?
Yeah. Can you do C now? Y
Yeah,
equals sine 0.66.
yeah. That is the same thing. Y is equal to sine 0.6x.
For this one, what I did was, can I also
P
write and show you?
is
Can
2
I also
pi.
write and show you what I did?
Therefore, we have to divide by 0.6.
Yeah.
That means it can be like 20 pi by 6.
Oh yes, that's what I did. Then when you simplify it, it'll just be 10 pi over
That
10
much
pi
only.
over 3.
Wait, but
Can you can you also not do 10 pi over 3?
That is the same thing. 10 by
Yeah, 10
3
pi over 3. Simplified version.
is 0.3333.
wait,
Yeah,
how did you get
yeah.
25 or 6, man? Then what?
Because when you times the that
You shift
when
this
you
decimal
time
point, you shift here,
when you
you will
times
add
this
a 0
thing
there.
by 10, you have 0 here, and then when you times this by 10, the decimal go here, so which will just give you 20 over 6 here. And then when you simplify that, that will give you 10 over 10 pi over 3. Because the thing is, yeah, you want to make this a whole number. You want to make 0.6 a whole number. So what you do
See,
is you just times both of them by 10.
this
So then this
we
2
are
would
doing
become
by
20.
mental arithmetic.
0.6 becomes 6.
In your
Yeah.
calculator, you can put 2 divided by 0.6 calculator.
Yeah.
Th-
It'll tell you the full form.
Then you will
Yeah.
get
It'll tell you the form.
0.3333.
It'll tell you how to solve it.
But how does the 2 come
Yeah.
there, Manny, at the start? How does the 2 come there at the start?
No, 2 pi is for
Because
sin
the
x.
Oh, yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
period formula is 2 pi over b. Yeah.
This is for sin x. So
Yeah.
you are dividing by
Are you doing the
0.6.
next one?
Yeah, divide by 0.6
Yeah,
means
yeah.
how much it will come?
Wait, is this for y
0.6
equals
means,
sine pi x?
yeah, 2, that is 2 by 0.6, that is 0.333 will come.
Oh,
That means here
for C you're doing.
3 cycles will come. No, the 0.3, how much is that?
0.3 is 1/3.
No, 2 pi in the
Root
calculator,
10 pi over 3. 10 pi over 3.
6.284 divided by 0.6. You will get like 10.47.
Hmm.
That means divided by
See, for this one it's
3.14.
fine. Graphing is not required. This one you only need to find
That
period.
means you will get
That is fine.
3.33 pi. So it will go bigger.
Yeah, it'll be bigger.
.33 pi.
Yeah,
So,
you get
so
that.
pi, 2 pi,
No, this one is fine. We have already this one. It's
3
this one.
pi,
This one we don't
3.33
need to
pi.
graph it.
Yeah.
This one we don't. This one we don't need to graph. This is fine.
So 3.33 divided by 2,
Get
1.66 pi, somewhere here. So this graph will be like that. So compared to the other graph,
Mm-hmm.
oh,
We're not meant to graph this, sir. It's okay. We can move on the next question.
Yeah.
you
This
got
one we
this,
don't need to.
you got this,
Yeah, this one we got.
you will get like this. See, if it is compared to y is equal to sin x, then here itself one cycle was there.
Mm-hmm.
So second cycle, actually you have to do the scale, then only this will go to the 4 pi.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that means
I reckon at 8 o'clock we should just stop the call there because that's 2 hours. Two
this is
hours is good.
pi, this is pi, this is uh, 3 pi.
30 pi.
Now 3.33 pi will come somewhere there. 1.66 comes here. So half of that will be somewhere there. So this is the y is equal to 0.6x. Whereas if you plot our earlier one, it will be one cycle, another cycle. So this is y is equal to sin x.
Can
You
we,
able to
yeah,
follow?
that we understood.
Bye. Have a look, bye. On the matches. Have a look.
Huh? You're able to follow this?
Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
Yeah, can we go on to the next one?
See the main camera and he yawns.
Mate.
Can you now show us
It is pi x.
yeah, pi x, which will just be 2, right? Because
So
the pi cancels out.
2 pi divided by pi.
Pi. So pi will cancel. So it'll just
It
be
will
2.
become 2.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Wait, how can don't plot it, sir.
it's fine, sir.
Huh?
You don't need to plot. This is only to find period.
It just says
It just
state.
says state. You don't need to write it. It's fine.
See, 1, 2,
No.
3,
No. It is fine. It's fine.
3.14. Like
You
that.
don't need to plot it. It's fine.
Ah,
It's just to show. It is just to show the period. That's it. You don't need to plot it. It's fine. Can you go on to the question 4?
ah. So here it comes up to 2 only, number 2. Number 2 means somewhere here.
Oh my god.
This is
Oh.
Serious.
0.142.
Are you
Sir,
serious, fam?
2 will be here.
sir. You don't need to plot this,
It will come something like that.
Can you go to 4 now? Or open the Mac's chat.
Now, number 3.
Where you
This is over, So find b, given that function sin y is equal to sin bx, b greater than 0 has a period. So,
Now, sir, can we do
what is the
question
period? It should be 2 pi by b.
yeah,
So,
can we do question 4A now?
yeah, question 4 only. Question 4, find the value of b. Sin is equal to y is equal to sin bx, where b greater than 0 has a period. Greater than 0 means it can be
find
1 2
number
3
2?
anything. 1 2 3 anything can be there. So it can't be 0 because divide by 0 gives infinity. Is it not? So you write down these values: 5 pi, 2 pi by 3, 12 pi, number 4, 100. Then you find out what is the b that is suitable for that, because he says there is a period. So here divided by 1 can be there. So b is equal to 1 we can take. 5 pi by 1. Rather 2 pi by something. Okay, we do this way.
Can you go on to question 4 now?
That's what he's teaching. If you haven't heard it.
Nice. This is different. This is
Yeah.
3.33 pi.
No,
See,
mate.
it was given
No.
5 pi. Is
Yeah.
it not?
That's what you
Now
don't
Now.
change it
2
off, man.
pi by
Now he
b
is, mate.
is equal to 5 pi.
You just weren't listening.
So what is b? It is 2 pi by
Carry.
5 pi. That is 0.4.
That is 205. Yeah.
So b is equal to 0.4.
0.4.
Yeah.
Do you generally always give in decimal, or can you just give in fraction?
So this is the question. What is the next question?
2 pi over 3. So you just do 2 pi over 2 pi over 3. So the 2 pi will cancel out. We'll just give you 3, right?
So 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 is b is equal to 3.
Yeah.
Oh, because then, wait, it would be what? 2 pi over 3 divided by 2 pi, right?
Huh.
Is that what it
It,
would
two,
be?
it is 2 pi by b, which is 2 pi by 3.
Wait.
See, 2 pi by 3
Mm.
is 2 pi by b. So b is equal to
3. Yeah.
How though?
No. This this is how I would do it. This is how I would. Can you bring up your page again? I'll show you how I will draw it.
See, this is 12 pi.
No, no,
Next
no,
is
no. Ca- No. I'll show you how I draw. I draw it. Can I show you how I draw it?
1 minute.
I'll show you how I'll do it. So I just do 2 pi.
Say 12 pi
No, I just do
by
2
b.
pi
Okay, yeah, show me.
over
12 pi by
2
something is
pi
2 pi by b.
over 3. So
Oh,
the
okay.
2 pi will cancel out. So you just
So
get left with
b
3.
is
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
1 by 6.
2 pi over 12. So it's just, yeah. So it'll just be, yeah.
Wait, this is making sense.
No. I think you got it wrong. No. You got it
b
right.
is
You're
equal
correct.
to 2 pi.
Yeah,
12
that's
times.
correct. B is equal to 1
Because
over
it
6.
is 1 by 6.
Yeah, that's correct. Next one would be 4, which will just give you pi over 2.
What is the next one?
The next one is 2 pi over 4. So the period, the B is 4. So it'll just be 2
Wait,
pi,
wait. The
2,
pi's cancel out. Then would for okay for 4C would it be 2/12?
yeah, 2 pi over 12 pi. So then the, so then the pi's cancel out and the 2 and 12 are both divisible by 2. So when you divide both of them by 2,
It would be
1 will
one
be
over.
at the top, 1 over 6. Yeah.
Oh, come on.
4, so that means B equals 2 pi over 4, which will just give you pi over 2.
Oh, this is
Heck,
crazy,
Victor.
sir. This is good,
Heck, Victor.
sir.
Now
This
could
is
you
so
do 2 pi
good.
over 100, which is just
I
so
just love it.
easy. Okay. So that means it'll be pi over 50.
5 by 50.
Yes. Oh. Oh, yeah. Come on. Now can you go to number 5? This is a bit trickier one. Sketch the curve y equals 4 sin x
0
for
to 2 pi.
x between 0 and 2 pi. Which will just be the amplitude will be 4.
What is the question? Y is equal to
Y is equal to 4 sin x and x is between 0 and 2 pi.
this one. So this we have already done. So what you have to do is first you have to prepare a table. So x value, let us say you take 0 degrees, 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 15 degrees.
No.
You,
I don't think you even have. I don't think you even have to do that step. You just know that the amplitude is
you
4. So
will
you
go
just
to
draw.
360.
You just draw the amplitude is 4, and then you just connect it between 2 pi. That's it.
Maybe 10 also we can take. 10 and 20. So in x is there. No? So 10, 20, 30 you can make.
Far out, man. No. I'm saying is you don't even have to do that step. Because you know that amplitude is 4. You can just write the amplitude is 4 one time. One cycle between 0 and 2 pi.
See x value sin x value 4 sin x value. So that means nothing but y. So 0, 0, 0. So 10 degrees. Sin of that, how much comes? You write that one there. Multiply that by 4 and write here. Say
Sir, I think
20
I have to go
degrees.
now.
30 degrees. For example, sin 30 degrees it is 0.5.
Sir, I might
Multiply
have to
by
go
4 is
now.
2. So this you
Yeah.
have to plot. So
I think
40
I think
degrees,
I think
50
after this
degrees.
question we can stop it there.
60 degrees it is sin 60 is half. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, 0.866. So 4 times of that. $3.364. So like that you calculate these things, etc. up to 360. Then once that is there, you can plot.
Sure.
Is it not?
All right.
Yeah, that's correct.
All right. See ya.
See here, more closer you take, it will be a smooth curve. If you take large distance, free hand you have to try.
Yeah, that's correct. I think now we can stop it there. I think that is enough for today's lesson.
Yeah.
Ah.
All right.
Schedule
We'll
Bye bye.
continue the
done.
rest. We'll
Find the value
yeah,
of y when x is equal to this, x is equal to this.
yes.
Mark the points on your graph. So in A, that means first you have to draw this graph. Afterwards,
Yes,
find
sir.
the value of y when x is this value.
So basically, do you just substitute the x in?
X you substitute, you will get the thing. That means you can do like this.
Oh, okay. Okay, then that is okay. That is easy then. I can do that for the homework. I think we can leave it there for today. It's
Yeah.
been like 2 hours.
See, you will get this curve.
I
Is it
think
not?
I might have training tonight.
Now you mark that whatever point is there, and there you find out how
I
much
have
is this
training
value.
at 8 o'clock, sir.
No way.
Wherever that point comes,
Yeah.
you find out that how much is. What are the 2 points? This is you are plotting y is equal to 4 sin x, is it not? That means this is 2 pi. What are the 2 points given? Huh?
The 2 points are 5 pi over 6 and there was one more. Let me see.
Yeah, 5 by 6, 7 by 4.
Ah,
5 by 6 means 0.8. 0.8 pi, somewhere here it will come. 0.8 pi by 4. No, it will come somewhere here. See, this is pi by 2. Pi by 2 is like 1.7. So half of that, maybe
acha.
somewhere here it will come.
All right. See
5
ya.
by 6
See ya, sir.
pi.
Okay.
So
Okay
then
then.
what is the value there? You read here,
Okay.
this side.
Alright then.
Another was 7
That
by 4,
yeah, 7 pi by 4.
that is 1.75 pi.
Yeah, that's
So
correct.
1 pi, 1.75, maybe it will come somewhere here. Is it 2 pi by 3 is like 2 by 3 is 0.66. Into that one. So we have to multiply by that value. That is, take it as 3.14.
That is correct.
Calculate. 2 by 3 is 0.66. This is 1.75. 1.75 means it will come more.
It will come a bit left side. So
You multiply by this
somewhere
one, you will get that
probably it will
value.
come Probably it'll come somewhere like,
Ah,
that's one. Probably it'll come somewhere like this one, somewhere around here. So it'll be like here, this point, here, probably somewhere here. So you have this point here,
yeah, it will come
and then
after
this
this,
point here.
before that.
Yes.
1.5
So
is
it'll be
somewhere
here.
here.
Yeah.
See, pi and 2 pi, 1.5 pi here, 1.75
Oh, okay, no,
somewhere,
then it'll come somewhere. Then yeah, it'll be here, so it'll be here.
somewhere there it will come.
Yeah. Okay then. I think that should do for today. I think
You
that will
able to
be it.
follow?
Yeah, that is all good for today. I think that is fine. I'm gonna leave.
What you can do is, you can tell even anybody else, you are interested in this one. Same timings and means same subject means, if somebody more are there, they can join, no problem for me.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
See, only what the
yeah,
thing
yeah.
is,
That is
yeah,
clear.
if they send me an email, I will send the link to everybody.
Yeah.
And so what they
I
require
think
is, you have to
next lesson we should
we have to
do
download the
exercise.
Zoom you have to download by giving your email ID and your own password. Then only the moment you click the link, you will get joined.
Yeah, okay.
You're able to
That
follow?
is good for today then. Alright.
Take care.
I think I'll
Yeah.
see you. Take care.
Sure.
I'll see you next Monday
Yeah.
for the
Take
next
care,
lesson.
sir.
Okay. In between,
Yeah.
in case you work out anything, doubt is there, you take a
Yeah.
photo of that one
I'll take
and
a photo and send it to you.
WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Send by
Take
WhatsApp.
care,
Yeah.
sir.
Whenever
Yeah.
I am free, I will go through it also.
Okay.
Take
Alright
care.
then.
Yeah.
Take
Take
care
care.
then.
Okay.
Bye.
Hey, cut.
Hey, good.
Okay.